We started this project in South the first time, and we based at Calcutta. And this is located in the opposite metro Kukatpalli on NH9. And this is land extent is 4.5 acres with 2 towers. Tower height is G+16. Total flats is 570. We have the areas range from 1133 SFT to 2011 SFT. With a clubhouse and other amenities like outdoor and indoor. Yeah, this is we have been catering to the even lower middle class also, who wants to live in the gated community with excellent proximity. So this is starting from the 40 lakhs plus or something like. If they have the margin money of 10 lakhs or something like, remaining balance 80% they can get from the bank financing. And we have almost 20 banks is approved this project, so they can opt for the whatever their choice of the financing. Part of amenities kind of thing, or amenities we have it's a clubhouse with having the world-class gym and yoga. Apart from that, we have the banquet hall for the function and a restaurant we have. And apart from the if you look at the children aspect, rock climbing we have, and amphitheater and tennis. So this is all we have been having the this is a small community, but it's been catering to every aspect andariki kuda. And it's been, if you look at the aspect of take the elders from the children. So they can spend they can have a nice time there. Even elders also, we have the sitting areas and lush greenery. So these are all, even a herbal garden for the elders we have been catering that. And children play area we have it's been huge to the places So these are all the most happening place apart from the owning a flat. So they can have the lifestyle they are not just purchasing a single flat or something So apart from that, they have the like-minded people they can find here. 570 cars, so they can have the nice time, a safety aspect and security aspect, and it's been celebration aspect. So this is all advantage for them